Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. This is actually how to create a professional Instagram account for a scouting. So if this is your first time watching my video, you can please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. The first thing you have to know about creating a professional account doesn't mean like maybe you have to buy an Instagram account. You can actually get one. That's the number one first thing you have to do. Just get one, like create a new fresh account. And you can run a quick followers to it or a quick followers to that account that you just created. Maybe like just make sure that you already have at least like more than 30 posts already. You get so before you start doing the quick followers to your Instagram account. And then yeah, things that we need to know about the inspirational account. You know, like maybe I'll just try to create any account and do it anyhow. No, you have to follow something to that. Even when they see your account, they be like, wow, this person is inspirational. And this person is really you get. That's how you do it. Mostly again, and always make sure that whenever you're creating a professional account, always make sure you link your foreign account, which is a WhatsApp. So I mean that your WhatsApp account, which is a foreign WhatsApp account for your scout, like the person you're going to direct, or maybe in case maybe they are not interested in chatting with you on on Instagram, which is their business account. You get because some of them prefer chatting with you guys, chatting with in who is it, chatting with the professional with WhatsApp. So the next thing you have to do now about the operational accounts, as you can see, just make sure you create some posts like this stuff like this, highlights. Just make sure you create highlights that showing your what you've done, like what's your business all about, and what are your service and your team. So these are like questions that you need to know, past projects and reviews that you gain during your last project. You get so you just have to make use of Canva to design some stuff like this. You get so make use of Canva to do stuff like this. That's how you create a professional Instagram account for your scout. So and it doesn't go far. And you can also make use of Canva so to create a professional to create a good graph with this image. So and then you can check online, maybe you are going to see those people who normally run fake followers for Instagram account you get. Maybe nothing less than 2 you can just start with like 2K followers you get. Because the person that helped me to do my own like I think this one is more like foreign people like all these foreign guys. So did my for me like found out $10 or $15. I can't even remember exactly. Sure. So just have to create one. That's all. Just have to set it push and create a logo for your for your Instagram account and do the necessary thing by turning to a professional account. Making use of the dashboard, like turning to a professional account that you can see the inside of how your account is performing very well. So that's how you do it. So I always make sure that you are a team, not the one person. Because making use of a team will make them be know how this person is very you get. If you're not making use of it like a team agency, you'll be able to get bias, but sometimes you might get but not always like that. But always make sure that you use a professional account. So good day and thanks for watching.